hello, everyone. Oh, that's right. Let's not do that. So today I am packing the motocicletta and maybe a little bit of motorcycle maintenance as well. So let's do this. So the first thing I want to do is check the oil, which is a little bit of fun when you're on a motorcycle. So I might use the tripod for this. Rightio, that's better. Now, fun part about checking the oil on a motorcycle is that you use, see that little sight glass down there? If I pull the bike over, that goes up and down. Now the thing about that is, if you tilt the bike over too far, it says it's got more oil. Far the other way, it says it's got less oil. So you really got to find the sweet spot, which is, I mean, it's not impossible. Near enough is good enough, you know what I mean? Let's give it a shot. Now obviously this is a two-handed operation. So I always grab the front brake when I pull it over and make sure the bike doesn't roll away. And then what I also like to do is put the center stand down. It gives me a better reading as far as level goes. Now I have a look at the sight glass and it says we're full, so that is pretty good. Next we check the tyre pressure. So this is my tyre pump. It was given to me by my friend Duncan when I stayed on the Isle of Skye in Scotland. Thank you, Duncan. And this thing is just absolutely brilliant. So now we'll check our tyre pressure. The current tyre pressure is 36 psi and it needs to be 42. So it's time to get loud. Perfect. So that's both the tyres done. They're in very good condition. Now, for another very highly technical task, checking the spokes and making sure none of them are loose. Very technical. Pretty good. Check the handlebars and the front forks. Make sure they don't feel loose. Pretty good. Check the front brake. Make sure it doesn't look bent or deformed. Check the tyre. Pretty good. Check the brake fluid. Would you use a little sight glass in there? Check the lights. That's good. That's good. That's good. Check the horn. One issue I have had, temperature isn't registering, so the fan didn't kick in, so it overheated, which is a problem. It seemed to just be a loose connection, which I've fixed, and I'm taking it to the mechanic tomorrow and we're going to do a big day on it, so I'm not overly concerned. Chain tension. That's pretty good. And then I like to just kind of look around, see if I can see any loose bolts, anything that's out of the ordinary. Now, any oil, not where it should be, as in outside. But apart from that, it all looks pretty good. And now it's time to start packing.
Azerbaycan'a gelecek, Azerbaycan'dan sonra Türkmenistan'a gelecek. Türkmenistan'a en meydan falan olsun.
Super. Well, that is pretty much it. I mean, I've got to load everything onto the bike, but that's nothing. Well, that's pretty much it now. I've definitely gotten rid of some weight because I can't touch the ground. But that's pretty much it. Let's do this. I might give her a clean tomorrow as well. We'll see.